Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Community Banks of Colorado app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Community Banks of Colorado is a mobile banking app designed to help customers manage their everyday financial needs directly from their phone. The app provides access to account balances, recent transactions, bill payments, mobile check deposit, and secure money transfers. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports features like fingerprint or Face ID login for easier access. The app's main feature is its simple digital banking interface. You can quickly check balances, review spending, transfer funds, and pay bills without visiting a branch. It also provides mobile deposit for checks, allowing users to deposit money just by taking a photo, and offers security alerts to keep accounts monitored in real time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, reliable login process, and smooth mobile deposit system. The app makes it easy for customers to manage accounts, avoid unnecessary branch visits, and keep track of spending. Notifications and account alerts also add an extra layer of convenience. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced banking features may be limited depending on the user's account type, and certain online services might require visiting a physical branch. A few users also report occasional slow loading times or minor glitches after updates. In addition, functionality may vary based on regional service availability. In summary, the Community Banks of Colorado app may be worth using if you want convenient access to everyday banking tools, easy mobile deposits, and a secure platform to manage your accounts. However, if you need more advanced financial features or rely heavily on specialized banking services, you may still need to visit a branch or use additional tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.